The end of the year festivities can be challenging, so hosting New Year's Eve needs smart planning. That's why on the 31st, we check our fridge to make sure that it is full, so we don't need to dash to the nearest bodega for a last-minute errand. It helps that we figure out the menu early in December, once we finalize the guest list.
While one prepares the feast, the other prepares the festivities. Because the last dinner of the year is also the first of the new one, so we make it extra special. Memorable, because we like to live beyond everyone's expectations.
For dinner, we choose dishes that can be prepared in advance, or that can bubble away on the stove while we do other things.
Exactly. Smart planning allows you to be a relaxed host. So you can focus on setting the mood and getting ourselves looking good for the evening. When the first doorbell rings, we're ready to welcome our guests into a relaxed atmosphere and to spend time with them, not as hosts, but as friends.
That's what's great about these dinners, gathering together and surrounding ourselves with friends.
Seeing them share food, relax, and enjoy each other's company.
Watching how the evening progresses and friendly chatter turns into an intimate atmosphere. To us, this is the art of living well.
Just before midnight, we pull some crisp champagne from the fridge and everyone gathers around the countdown as we pop the cork to celebrate a New York-style New Year's Eve.
Cheering and watching the fireworks, kissing as the clock strikes 12, and wishing for many more New Year's Eve dinners to come.
Live beyond.